In the following example, we've got to establish that both requirements of the mean value theorem are satisfied for the function f of x equals x squared in the closed interval between 1 and 4. And then we are to find the c values predicted by the theorem. So first of all, let's note that we're looking at the graph of a quadratic, a parabola, polynomial that is continuous on that closed interval, and it's also differentiable. Well, parabola, of course, is continuous and differentiable throughout, but we're only looking at this specific interval. So we've satisfied the conditions of the mean value theorem. So now let's go ahead and find our c value predicted by this theorem. So suppose we take a parabola, and I'm just going to roughly sketch a parabola here. Alright, so we'll pretend that this is x squared. I'm not that great of an artist, but let's say that somewhere right in here at the bottom we've got our 1, and somewhere right about here we have our 4. Okay, so there it is, between 1 and 4. And we're going to draw a chord in between those two areas, so right about here. And we've got this magic c value somewhere in between. And let's say that that's somewhere in the middle here. Okay, so here's my c. And the slope of that tangent, well, let's draw out a tangent at that particular value. Well, that tangent should be parallel to that one. Okay, so what we can say then is that our slope of the tangent, which is f prime of x, should equal m, the slope of that chord between 1 and 4. So let's see here. We've got x squared, so f of x equals x squared, okay, which the derivative f prime of x equals 2x, okay. So we have 2x equal to, well, f of 4, which f of 4 is 16, since 4 squared is 16, so 16, and f of 1, well, that's just 1, since 1 squared is 1, so 16 minus 1 over, and then of course we're finding the slope of the line, so 4 minus 1, of course, being 3, so that's where I get 3 here. So then I have basically 2x equal to 15 divided by 3, which gives me then 2x equal to 5. Well, solving for x, I get x equal to 5 halves. So this is where the slope of the tangent is parallel to that chord. So this is my c value here at 5 halves. So this is what we were looking for in this problem.
Made with DoodleCast Pro.